Here we will see lexical structure of PHP. The lexical structure of a programming language is a set of basic rules that governs how to write programs in that language. It is the lowest level syntax of the language and specifies such things as what variable names look like, what characters are used for comments, and how program statements are separated from each other. First is case sensitivity. The names of user-defined classes and functions as well as built-in constructs and keywords are case insensitive. That is, these three lines are equivalent. Echo with small letter, echo with capital letter, and echo with mix of small and capital letter. Variables on the other hand are case sensitive. That is, $name in capital letter are different variables. Next is statements. A statement is a collection of PHP code that does something. It can be as simple as variable assignment or as complicated as a loop with multiple exit points. Here is a small sample of PHP statement, echo hello world, which will print hello world. A compound statement that uses curly braces to mark a block of code, such as conditional test or loop, does not need a semicolon after a closing braces. PHP comments. Comments are used to clarify the source code. All the comments in PHP follow hashtag character. Compiler ignores the comment entries and do not execute them. There are two types of comments. One is single line comment, which is used to comment single line and can be written in separate line or along with the code in the same line. And multi-line comment, which is used to comment more than one line, generally used to comment entire block of code statement. White space. White spaces in PHP is used to separate tokens in PHP source file. It is used to improve the readability of the source code. Public space $is running. White spaces are required in some places, for example between the access specifier and the variable name. In other places it is forbidden. It cannot be present in variable identifier, that is $A equal to 1, $B space equal to 2. The amount of space between tokens is irrelevant for the PHP interpreter. It is based on the preferences and the style of the program. That is $A equal to 1, $B equal to 2, $C equal to 3 and $D equals 4. We can put two statements into one line or one statement into three lines. However, source code should be readable for humans. So it is not feasible to write one statement in three lines. These are the accepted standards of how lay out your source code. Semicolon. A semicolon is used to mark the end of a statement. It is mandatory. $A equal to 34 must end with semicolon. Here we have three different PHP statements. The first is an assignment statement which puts a value into $A variable. The second one is an expression. The expression is evaluated and the output is given to the $B variable. And third one is a command which prints $A variable. PHP variables. A variable is an identifier which holds a value. In programming, we can say that we assign a value to a variable. Technically, variable is a reference to a computer memory where the value is stored. In PHP language, variable can hold a string, number, or various objects like functions or class. Variables can be assigned different values over time. Variables in PHP consist of dollar character called sigil and a label. A label can be created from alphanumeric characters and underscore character. A variable cannot begin with a number. The PHP interpreter can distinguish between a number and variable more easily. A variable cannot begin with a number, so that PHP interpreter can distinguish the number and variable easily. These are valid PHP variables: $value, $value2 or $company underscore name. And these are the examples of invalid PHP variables: $12val, $exx, or $first dash name. Variables in PHP are case sensitive. Then PHP constant. A constant is an identifier for a value which cannot change during the execution. By convention, constant identifiers are always uppercase. Constants are created with define function, that is define size 300. Constants differ from variables. We cannot assign a different value to an existing constant. The script will fail if we uncomment the line. Constants do not use $sign character. PHP literals. A literal is any notation for representing a value within a source code. Technically, literals are values that are used in a code as they are. That is numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 or string like welcome. That is $age equal to 29. 29 is a literal.